Hello guys, this is Arthur here from LA for Success, and today it's gonna be a huge step for you in order for success in Shopify and make a great business. I'm going to show you today how to open a store, and I'm excited for you guys. This is a great day. So the first step you need to do is go to tinyurl.com/shopif. Please go to this address and you will go here in this window, in the main window of Shopify. After you went to tinyurl.com/shopif, please click on get started. Fill up your information, your email address. Let me just fill up mine. Okay. Choose a password that you will easily remember, and a store name. It's not critical if you don't know right now what will be your store name. Just choose any name and later on you can change the name of your store. It's not a problem. So of course I'm going to choose LA for Success. Click on create your store. Let's wait until the page reload. Okay guys, and in this step all we need to do is to fill up your information. It doesn't need to be accurate, it's just for a purpose of collection information of Shopify. So please click on any given thing, click on next, fill up your personal information. Okay, let me just quickly fill mine. Okay, your address, of course. Where are you coming from? City. Your zip code, it needs to be accurate. Country, phone number. And click on enter my store. So right now, it's gonna reload your store. Congratulations, you have a store. It's so simple, it's so easy. The next step we need to do is click on select a plan. We need to select a plan because we want to sell, and without selecting any plan, Shopify will not give us to sell any given product. So it's a critical thing that you should do. Now guys, as you can see, there is 3 plans here. Okay, something important to mention: whichever plan you choose, the first 2 weeks on Shopify are completely free. Okay, it's free to use for you. We will put the credit card details now, but Shopify will not charge you until the 2 weeks free trial will end. As long as the free trial period is on, you can cancel and you will not charge for any 1 penny. Even if you're choosing the $299 plan or the $79 plan, you can always choose the basic $29 plan, and other way around. But if you want to be successful, we are recommending in any business to choose the best plan that give you the most options to your business. In that way, you are giving yourself and your business the best start to succeed and make money in the fastest way. And I want to present the $299 plan and the $79 plan versus the $29 plan. Okay, first of all, lower commission. Okay, the $79 plan have 1% commission, as you can see here. The $299 plan have 0.5 fee transaction. Now let me explain you something very important. The less commission you pay to Shopify on each sale you are doing, the more money you collecting to your pocket. It's a basic equation, guys. Another advantage you have in the $299 plan and the $79 plan versus the $29 plan is you can create gift cards. So think how your business will benefit from that. Imagine a guy overthinks what to buy to his girlfriend And as a present, instead of leaving the shop without buying anything, he is now buying a gift card to his girlfriend to use it later on your shop to buy what she likes. It's a proven feature to increase your sales revenue, and you will also benefit a lot getting professional reports about your store activity, which is included only in the $299 plan and the $79 plan. The report will include full data and information about your customers, which country they are from, which city they are from, if they're using iPhone or Android. And later in this course, we will teach you how this information can increase your sales in your store and how to analyze this data correctly and literally better understand who your customers are. So it's really important that you will take advantage of this amazing tool, which you only have in the $299 plan and the $79 plan. Additional feature I want to highlight is the email alert. When a customer saves some items in the shop cart but doesn't proceed to purchase, then for any given reason, let's say he doesn't have a time, he forgot his credit card, something happened, whatever, the buyer will receive personal email alert from our store to remind him he isn't complete his order yet and it has product in the shopping cart. That's another amazing feature you don't get in $29 plan, and you only get this advantage with the $299 plan and the $79 plan. Guys, we always take the $299 plan because it's additional pros, and we can talk about this for hours. But if it's a bit expensive for you, you can start with the $79 plan. We do not recommend to take the basic plan, this $29 plan, since it will take you a long time to understand who your customers are, which is the most important piece of information in order to increase your sales and earn a huge amount of money. Using the $299 plan will give you insight about your personal shop, how the shop works, and how you can relate to your customers and know who your customers are. You won't have to spend months and spend a lot of money that will not return to you looking to understand better your customers. You can get it in a few days, and I hope you understand the huge potential of the advanced plans if you put your time and effort. If you will follow our advice precisely, you will generate a lot of money. We guarantee to you that anyone who follows our free course and take advice that we will teach you will become a successful online store owner. What we do is to teach you the way we took in order to succeed, and we will tell you what to do step by step, like our thousands of students did. Listen to us and did the exact steps we teach you on this free course and made thousands of dollars each month, making the dreams come true. And you can do it also using this free course we offer. But I want to tell you something, guys. Very important that you will invest a lot of your time and effort. It's not a magic, guys. We can guarantee that this course will provide you the best tools on the market today in order to make profit and a lot of money. And it's all starts with the basic things like choosing the best plan in order to provide your business the best start. Now, we will choose the $299 plan in order to continue. If your budget is limited, please choose the $79 plan and press choose this plan. Now guys, let me tell you again, I want to mention again, you will not be charged for the first 2 weeks whatsoever. It's a free trial that Shopify gives you. And another thing, you can always switch around the plan. You can play around, okay? It's about you and about what you're choosing. Now, please here, fill up your credit card information. Credit card number, expiration, CVV, billing address, billing name, okay? Whatever information you need to fill up. After you fill up the information, click on Start Plan. And that's it, guys. Let me tell you again, if you want to open a successful store, please go to tinyurl.com/shopify. Follow the steps I just told you in this video. Do the exact thing. And believe me guys, you will not regret it. In 1 month from now, 2 months, 3 months from now, half a year, you're gonna make thousands of dollars to your pocket clean. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.